Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I am here with another review of Dollar Tree pens. These are gel pens. This pack you get 4 different colors, and they are marbleized. I thought they were pretty cool. That means they have pink. This blue tip cover one has pink, green, and blue. This one has green tip pad. Let's take them out of the package. I probably can see them better, hey? Hey, and I remembered to color out some, or color, stamp out some images to color in. Okay, let's see. Start this over. So the first pen, you get a blue cover. It looks like orange, pink, green, and blue. This one looks like pink, blue, orange, green. And this one has, oh Jesus, blue, green, pink, orange. So they're basically the same color, but in a different order. Green, orange, blue, pink. So let's see how well these work. And they are Jot one. It's cool. Nice and smooth. I like it. I like it. I like it. Let me bring you guys down a little bit. So let's see how well they color. Very nice coloring. I approve. So that's the green. So it'll be a while before it goes into the other colors. So that is the green. It's like a neon green. I love neon colors. So this is the blue cap, and this one starts with orange. Ooh, nice. An orange. Like the orange. Very bright. Very bright. Now we have the green cover, and this is a pink that starts on this one. Ooh, I like the pink. They're like neon colors. I'm loving it. Because I like my neon colors, so that's cool. And let's see, the next one is a blue. Nice blue. Very nice color blue. I'm happy with these. Very happy. So them are the 4 one, and they were called smooth writing, just assorted gel pens. There's no specific name, but they had the different colored ink in, so I thought they were cool. So then there's this pack of 6 gel pens, 0.8 millimeters. This one is 0.8, so it's the same pen as the tip, I believe. I like the package on this. If I get it undone. Okay, oh, there's a piece of tape. So, in this package, you have a dark blue, a pink, a purple, a green, a yellow, and an orange. Start with the blue. Got this little there. Ooh, nice. Like that. Let's see, where do we want to color? Oh, I like this blue. Very smooth. Very smooth coloring. Looks nice. That's the blue. Here is the pink. Ooh, like the pink too. Very nice coloring and writing, smooth. Let's see, there's the pink right here. Very nice. Very nice. That's the pink. Here is the purple. Ooh, I'm liking these colors, guys. Color and handle it good on a paper. This is just 110-pound cardstock I'm using. Okay. Here is the green. Very light colored green, not a very dark colored green. Let's see. What's color right here? And I'm not going to color the whole image because it'd be a lot. So that's the green. Very pretty. Orange. Yellow. Very light yellow. Very hard to see. But yellow is a light color, so, but, oh, it shows up better once you color it, so. Okay. The next color is orange. Orange. Very nice orange. So I'm going to do side by side real quick. Here's the orange of the 6 set, and let's see which one has the orange on top. And this is the orange of the 2nd set. Lighter. So I got 2 different oranges, so that's cool. So let's see what colors on top. Pink. So here's the pink on the 2nd set. This, and then the neon set, I'll call it. The neon set. Definitely 2 different pinks, which is good. Cool. And let's see. This pink cap is a green. So let's grab this green. I'm very happy with these. So far, I haven't found any I didn't like. It's very lighter than the first green. Definitely different tone, different coloring. And then let's see what's on the top of this one. Blue. Okay. So I can't test the yellow or the purple between the 2 packs. That's okay, because one pack only had 4 and one pack had 6. So and the only thing is these twist, so they kind of like want on twist. Only thing, but color-wise, I like them. There we go. So overall, I'm very happy with them. The $2 I spent. There are the color differences. I think it's good. They color the image real well. So I want to thank you for coming in and checking out my review videos of the Jolt. They're both a Jolt product, gel pens. Neon colors and regular colors is what I would classify these as. So thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be safe. Oh, geez, I really screwed that up. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.